Do you know that 84% of cases of domestic abuse in America are of Indian Americans? UK government is concerned about the rising domestic violence cases against women of Indian ethnicity. Metro magazine, all the newspapers are showing concerning figures of Indian women going through domestic abuse in the hands of their NRI husbands. जब आपके पास एक NRI रिश्ता आता है, I understand the excitement. I understand कि आपको ऐसा लगता है अरे मौका मिला इंडिया छोड़कर जाने का. But जितना फ्लैशी इंडिया में बैठकर बाकी सारे कंट्रीज लगते हैं, एक्चुअली में it's not that flashy. It can be very, very torturous if you are marrying the wrong guy. So in this video, I want to give you my 5 top tips if you are planning on marrying an NRI. And if it is a marriage where you don't know the background of this guy, और ये UK, America, Australia या कहीं से भी आपके पास proposal आया है, the 5 top tips are: 1. Make an investment into purchasing a ticket for yourself, get your visa done, and go and visit this place where this guy is staying. It's very important for you to check it out because I'm talking about UK right now, because UK में different locations are very, very different from one another. अच्छे location में रहने के लिए it can get very expensive. तो अगर आपको यहाँ लाकर एक ऐसे जगह पर रख दिया गया where it's impossible to make friends, impossible to find your community and your culture people, it can be very, very daunting for you when you are here all by yourself. दूसरी बात, उनके पास जॉब है भी कि नहीं है. यहाँ पर उनकी बीवियाँ भी होती है, and then they get people from India as well. They get married to women in India and they bring them here and they make their life hell. So it's very important that you come and check out their status here. जैसे वो आकर आपका status check करते हैं कि आप कैसे दिखते हो, आपकी फैमिली कैसे दिखती है, आपके पास पैसे हैं कि नहीं, आप ज्वेलरी कितने लेकर आओगे, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. आप भी यहाँ आकर वैसे ही चेक करो कि उनकी हैसियत यहाँ क्या है. जो इंडिया में फ्लैशी लगता है वो यहाँ फ्लैशी नहीं होता है. The reality can be totally different. Second tip, आप जब शादी करके यहाँ आ रहे हो, अपनी ज्वेलरी, अपने पैसे, अपने जो भी सेविंग्स हैं उसको इंडिया में सेफली रख कर आइए, because it's very important that you have your savings in a safe place. और अगर आप यहाँ लेकर भी आ रहे हो, please do not keep it in a joint account, because if anything goes for a toss or if there are mess around, then पैसे, ज्वेलरी बहुत काम आते हैं. और अगर वो जॉइंट अकाउंट में होते हैं तो सारे अकाउंट्स ब्लॉक कर दिए जाते हैं, एंड देन पीपल फेस अ लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज. एज अ ब्रेकअप एंड डिवोर्स कोच, आई सी दिस every time happening with my clients. My third top tip: keep your passport and your visa safe within your reach. Don't keep it in a place where your in-laws or your husband can reach out to them, because they can create massive issues for you and you might get stranded in a foreign land if suppose you want to go back to India for any reason, and this has happened with a lot of my clients. The fourth major tip: please get financially independent when you come to a foreign land. In UK specifically, it might take a minimum of 3 to 6 months to find a job. It's a bit of a struggle, but no matter how wonderful your relationship might be, or no matter how loving your husband is, and all that stuff, good stuff, but your financial independence is still very, very important, because things change like this, and that's where you need your financial stability. And the last tip, you might hate me for this, but this is a very practical tip: don't rush into having a child. Take your time, understand where you are, go through all the seasons in a foreign land, because they are very different from what you see in India. See your comfortability with people around you. जहाँ आप रह रहे हो, is the space enough? Is the guy good? Give it some time before you rush into having a child, because what happens is, I've seen a lot of my clients, they come here, they look for a job, they get bored because they are not finding good jobs, and then they think, oh, this is the right time to have a kid. they have kids, the relationship goes for a toss, and then with a separation or a divorce and the kids in the mix is very, very messy. So please take your time. Or the last thing I want is Indian women facing more problems in the UK or anywhere else in the hands of these NRIs. We have to work together to stop them from torturing, from treating us the way they are. And I am with you in this. If you want any suggestions or if you want any help regarding UK, London-based community, you please can write to me in the comments. And if you want me to create more videos to tell you about यहाँ कैसे behave करते हैं लोगों के साथ, I'm more than happy to do that. But I really want to raise this alarm कि NRI शादी can look flashy, but the reality can be very, very different. So the ball is in your court. Please take informed decision and take care of yourself.